Hello everybody, I'm Eddie of Retard and Hungry. So today we made a big purchase. You guys want to know what it is? Alright, let me go and reveal it to you. Ta-da! So what I have in hand, for you guys don't know, I bought in the store today is a 14-inch MacBook Pro with M3 Pro chip, 11 core, 14 cores GPU. 18 gigabyte unified memory and 512 gigabyte SSD. This is the first time I'm owning a Apple MacBook. Let's take a look what's inside. All right, I'm excited. Whoa! So this is what an Apple laptop looks like. I mean, a MacBook looks like. So I got this Space Black 14-inch MacBook Pro. This is what it looks like. I'm just too excited. Wow, look at this. Ta-da! All right, I think it's ready to get set up. So this is what we have on the box. Of course, we have the actual MacBook. USB-C charger, manuals. What is it inside? Oh, look at this. So it's not a white stickers anymore, it's black stickers. So I guess it depends on the model that you got, or it depends on the color that you got. You might get a white one for the silver color, but we got the space black, so we get the black Apple stickers. And of course the wall charger that we got. Alright, we're gonna go and set it up and we will update you pretty soon. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification button to get alerted for my next new video. Aloha, mahalo.